It's the Berlin Messe and Expo today, where I'm going to for Critical Communications World 2018. It's very busy. I'm sure the train will be packed. It's a beautiful day here, and looking forward to this week here in Berlin. So as far as I know, German people, the train ride will be pretty much effective. 6 stops to the city center of Berlin. The Germans made it so easy. I just have to follow the red line. Got my tickets now. Trying to find out now where the train track is. Berlin Zoo. The question is, which one? S45, S9? Let me check my app.
A few moments later.
That's easy. My flight has had a delay, 40 minutes, so that was a bucket. Berlin Zoologische Kanalen. So that one is closed, so I'm not sure. My app says that I should go in here. No way, that's strange. Not sure about that one. This train should go to zoo. Probably not. I'm lost. Alright, confirmed. This one definitely goes to Bahnhof Zoo. I just had breakfast in the breakfast room this morning. Very nice breakfast with Ken Raven. He's the analyst from Critical Com Insights. He wrote 9 articles about the critical communications industry just before the Critical Communications World 2018, which is happening today here in Berlin at the Messe Expo Center. I'm dying to get into the taxi to Critical Communications World, to the Messe Center. It's day number 1. Lots of things to do. There are masterclasses this morning. There is the opening at 1 o'clock. There are some interviews before 1 o'clock. I'm having more to do as we have a dinner in the night. There's another dinner in the night, so I have to move between dinners, one dinner and the other dinner. Some more interviews. I just want to show you how great this event is and how great it is that this event is going to take place here in Berlin. Batteries, gimbal, charger, monitor, another battery, camera number 3, SD cards, power hub, changing lenses. This lens goes off, this lens goes on. I'm going to remove this one for the wide angle lens. Gimbal. No, it's a gimbal camera. Actually, I think I got it. Yeah, almost there. We have never met.
No, we have never met.
So this is a new helmet.
Stand here at the booth. Relax. I hit my head against this wall. Okay, we don't talk about secrets here. It's only a matter of time. Welcome to Critical Communications World. Just behind me here in the Berlin Messe. We have the master classes first, starting at 9:30 until 12:30 over here. And then we have at 1300 hours this ceremony, the opening ceremony of the event. This is the show guide of the whole event. Now, actually, it's not just a folder, it's not just a brochure, it's a whole booklet. Take a look. TCCA, CCW, show guide. but it's a lot of interesting information. Okay, that's something for later. First going to the exhibition. This is the booth of Critical Communications Finland. Critical Communications Finland is the area where all of the Finnish developers and companies are showcasing their solutions at Critical Communications World. What is so interesting about this booth? There is a vehicle. There's a very nice vehicle being located over here. There's this one. This is actually the vehicle in the command and control center, and what you see here is really amazing. This is for the fire brigade. So every single fire brigade in Finland does have a vehicle equipped like this, and this is really heavily equipped with all communications equipment. Let's take a look what I got. Schoor radios, Airbus handhelds, smaller devices, LTE device. That's the map of Finland. There's a camera on board of this vehicle as well. There are all kinds of other equipment on board of this vehicle, and there's a server, there's even a printer over here, helmets, actually everything that is necessary to secure a situation. So if there's a situation coming on, I'm heavily equipped as well. I got a Tetra radios over here, I can listen through the headset also with Tetra. But don't expect the work of a firefighter to be easy. When you carry this backpack over here, when you have this mask on top, and I'm not sure if you can hear me, but this is heavy, this is warm. And then also try to communicate. Well, wait a minute. Then also try to communicate in these situations where you have a big backpack, where you have this mask on. It's really tough. They put a lot of effort into this booth. They put a lot of effort into communications, and they put a lot of effort in all of the things that are happening over here. I think it's very important to pinpoint that a little bit. Take a look at all these companies over here. Cloud Street, Jolla, Roger CPS, CCAP. By the way, CCAP was one of the companies that we have seen at the App Challenge at Airbus Defence and Space in Munich. You remember Felix Thimm. I was with Felix at IWC in Orlando, and now we're here in Berlin. And I just understood from you, Schnoor made all of the installations here at the Messe on Tetra, in-house coverage. Anything else?
Plus DMR, the whole network for the Berlin Messe.
Okay, so if you see people from the Messe here, so Messe means exhibition, from the exhibition center, communicating, they're communicating with your system that you sold them.
That's it.
Your own system?
Your own system, yeah.
With what kind of radios attached to it?
With our own repeaters.
Own repeaters?
Own optical fiber system, all from Schnoor.
And Schnoor, if you don't know Schnoor, Schnoor is a German company, very much specialized in DMR, critical communications, is now working with Excera together. And this is your marriage actually, because this is the first time you're at the booth with Excera.
One booth, two companies, one solution.
Chinese, German, Chinese.
That's it.
Whatever comes first.
Let's start with German.
Do you want to know what it is? The matrix is everywhere. It is all around us.
Yeah, that's actually without sound and now with sound. So what that means is that if that device doesn't move for another 20 seconds, the tag goes red. And then you mean there's something going on. Something seriously going on as a firefighter, might be somewhere in a burning house. So the one who's recording this feature right now is Eva Zhang, and we're at the booth of TeloSystems. That's what I mean actually, TeloSystems. You guys have been doing a lot of marketing, right?
Yes.
And that's Ray and Wu.
Hello everyone.
And did you have a good time here?
Very good,
Was
very
it successful?
busy.
Was it
very busy and successful.
So more sales, more turnover?
I hope there will be.
And the company will grow?
Yeah, it's a good way.
All right.
Yes, I mean, we get more business, the company grow, more marketing, this is only the right way. So.
Well, you have been doing a lot of marketing
Yes.
lately, especially over LinkedIn and so
Yes.
on, so that
Yes.
works fine, right?
That works also fine.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Eva.
Thank you.
Well, the woman behind the camera.
Hi!
Yeah, it was last night, I think.
And have you been impressed with the show?
If I, oh, wait, let's, then you take the camera then. Okay, that's good. being impressed with the show. Yes, I'm being impressed with the show. I think it's a very nice show. I see the signage is very good. I think if I'm impressed, it may be not that important. If the exhibitors are impressed, that should be the case, right?
And I think the exhibitors have been impressed. And,
is it?
Yeah.
Robin Davis, vlogger.
I don't think I get a job as a cameraman, but anyway.
Let me take this one, Robin. Okay. Are you impressed?
Oh yeah, I mean it's been absolutely great. Yeah, and I think it's been the best CCW I've ever been to. I've been to 18.
Okay, according to Robin Davis, it's the best CCW until so far. So why, Robin? Why is it the best? Because it's easy to say it's the best, but why?
Yeah. I think the content this year, some of the speakers we've been talking just at lunch. The content of the speakers, the discussion about the continuation of obviously Tetra networks, the evolution to LTE. There's been also opening up to other mission critical technologies. So we've talked about P25, we've talked about DMR. We Tate here with a big stand, the London bus project. We've talked a lot about airports and utilities and nuclear plants. Transport, of course, with Horizon Red and the big Australian mining.
Beyond public safety, beyond Tetra, right?
Yeah. And also I think just the size of the exhibition, the number of exhibitors, and the amount of time and effort that some of these people have put into these booths. Go and see the Rohill stand.
If there is a booth who deserves a prize for the best stand, Rohill will definitely be the top one here. Yeah, very good. Congratulations.
Brilliant.
Thank you. Is there an ICCA award for that? No, probably not.
Maybe there should be.
Maybe there should be an ICCA award for the best stand. Or the most innovative stand. Maybe that's even better.
Next year.
Okay. All right.
Have
Thank you
a
very
safe
much,
journey
Robin.
home. Thank you.
See you. Bye.